Welcome everyone to our weekly forecast. Hope you had a beautiful weekend with your loved ones and your family. If you'd like to join our Discord, the link is in the description below. We have a lot of setups. We share forex indices, crypto, commodities, and every London or New York we're having a war room. Especially in New York, it's still new. We'll post the charts that we're looking to trade, and we take the trades with whoever is in the chat or in the room, explaining why we're taking them and what are we waiting for the confirmation, step by step. Thank you, Kimo. Step by step, and when the trade is not valid, and when it's valid, and when we're taking profit, and we plan ahead of time what's the next step, what's the next trade we need to take, and so on in details to most of the trades. So if you are interested, it's public. You can join in the Discord. The link is underneath. And for the prices, you can find them in the chat, in the general chat. We have prices for every tier that we provide. That's it, our charts for the week. BTC, we're looking for the upcoming week, but potentially a fake out and continuation of the up move. If this fake out stays underneath here, this would open the gate for more short selling. And the short selling most likely will break these lows. But for the time being, we're still in the buy position. There might be a fake out and continuation of the up move. Let's wait for the price to tell us which direction it needs to go. For ETH, the same concept. Any break and close underneath these areas is gonna take the price to the lows. Where we are, we might see a fake out and continuation of the up move. We're still in the buy area. Nothing changed. Don't let the news play on your trades. Let the charts decide what they need to do, and you tag along. Right? XRP, we should, same thing like any other crypto chart. Same concept. Any break underneath here will drag the price to break these lows and these lows. Wait for confirmation. If it did the fake out, came back inside here, start looking for your buys. Indices. The indices were I'm looking for this one to be our missing leg, and most likely continuation of the up move. If price gonna come back down here, we might have this type of a correction. FTSE, we spoke about it last week, most of these. I'm looking for this or this. For the following, we are in the buy position. You should have taken your buys from last Friday. But the way it's heading up same thing as this. So any break and close above this, keep on holding along. If we're staying around these areas, we would expect something like this. And then continuation of the up move. For the time being, you should be in the buy. Is it wise to buy around here? I don't think so. Wait for it to break, any retest, take it. DXY, we were expecting a bigger correction, but we did not have it. We indicated during our weekly midweek sessions that the XY is still heading down, and I'm looking on towards these areas. So no buy setups, no anticipation of pullbacks, still slowly to the downside. Euro still buys. I was expecting last week a fake out. We did not have a fake out. On the contrary, we had a retest and we indicated the buy area. So keep on looking for your buys. Most likely we'll break the top, if not higher. Can we have something like this? Yes, we can. Nobody can say no, right? So everything's possible. Have a target. If you're a day trader, have a target and trade your target. You're here to make money, right? So don't try to grab all of this, unless if you are busy in your life and you swing trade. You should have bought and left it, or you should have sold and left it. Let the price come and hit you up. You shouldn't be even looking to think to buy around these areas. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah, so we're looking for the buys. Still looking for potential buy setups on every session that we trade. Pound, this most likely would do something like this. Continuation of the up move. I might say that this might create a double top up here and then correct, or it might stop around these areas. If it stops around these areas, this is gonna be deep. If it creates a double top, it's just gonna be a minor correction. UCAD, still looking for this buy. I did not trade this mess that we are in. I didn't even check it out during the week. Just left it alone until we start doing either trending to the downside or trending to the upside. Right here, it's a total mess, total waste of your time. NU, as you can see, nothing happened during the week. Most of the guys, we didn't even bother trading these small moves. I was trading basically the indices and crypto. That's it. I don't anticipate or see any major moves in the forex. Another slow week, another consolidating fake outs and coming back inside these areas. So I don't really see any major moves on most of the forex pairs. What we might have around here, we might have, as I said, a fake out and a drop, then potentially heading back up. Let's see, I don't trade this pair, but most likely we're looking this towards this and maybe creating a double top at the top. Aussie, same thing, not major moves, so we might have like this drop, break, correction. If the DXY is still heading down, I will be looking for the buys. If the XY show any signs of strong move to the upside, I'll be looking to short. Let the price tell you where we are, what are we looking for, right? And tag along with the price. For the time being, where we are here, this most likely would do something like this. Later we'll update in the mid week to see what's the next move. Silver still in the buys. There's a potential buy around these areas. There's liquidity zone in this area, and it dropped towards here. And it dropped towards these areas, and staying down here, this can drag more sells. This one, same thing, still looking for the buys. Any drop below these areas can drag more sells. If you're scared to buy around here, wait for other kind of confirmation that you know. Oil, on the higher time frame, we should be heading up. This might come down, collect liquidity down here, and then head back up. Is there a buy setup around this area? Yes, there is a buy setup that can take us all the way up. UJ, down move from these areas. Anything you see something like this, we're looking for the sell. This is gonna go deeper. Like any other pound pair, this can do the following and continue the down move. Break these lows. UJ, Euro Yen, I would just leave it alone. Same thing like UCAD. It can do like that, break the top, consolidate, come back inside. The market is cooking something out, guys. The way it's doing, there's something is coming in the market. So I would really, if you're not day trading on the lower time frames, I would not look for any swing trades at the time being. JCAD, same thing like any other pound pair. Correction, continuation of the down move, breaking these lows. Hopefully we'll see you in the Discord, and if you are in Discord, hopefully you are enjoying the setups and the information that's been given inside there. Trade safe, guys, and have a wonderful week.